So hi everyone. As we know that TCS tag test admit card has been released. So those students who haven't checked their mail, I will suggest go and check your mail. So in this video I will talk about the tag test last 7 days strategy. So कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का एग्ज़ाम में भी 11 को होगा, कुछ का 17 को है, 16 को है. So approx you can say 5 to 7 days you have. So in these 5 and 7 days what should be your strategy और किस तरह से आपको प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए so that you can easily crack this exam. Friend, main thing that I want to tell that you have to be confident and you have to have self belief. Okay, सबसे पहले आप self belief रखें and if you have done coding then this you will get the job. Okay, and I'm not saying that you have to do coding at that much level, that graph dp, so that kind of thing. But yeah, if you know coding and if you know how to pass test case, some hacks which I will make the video soon. So if you need that video then you can comment here that whether you need some hacks or not. So you have to just pass test case and if you able to solve one question or one and a half question, easily you will get the interview call. Okay, one question पे भी आता है and अगर दोनों क्वेश्चन का पार्शियल भी करेंगे then you will get the interview call. So just focus on these days and utilize these days very very carefully. First of all, let me query out your query related to the password issue or wrong admit card. So if you have wrong admit card then you can try this. Give your CTDT ID and use forget option. Then आपको reset पासवर्ड का मेल आएगा एंड विद इन 2 minutes. ओके, सो आफ्टर रीसेटिंग द पासवर्ड यू हैव टू गिव और यू हैव टू लॉग इन विद योर CTDT ID. देन योर न्यू एडमिट कार्ड विल बी डाउनलोडेड. So I think most of the students query have been sorted out, but still if you have any query, means after doing this, after trying this solution, if you are still facing issue, then you can mail to campuscommune@tcs.com. If you are not getting reply to this mail, then you can mail to ilp.support.tcm.com. बट फर्स्ट आपका जो होना चाहिए, फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट शुड बी दिस मेल. चलिए बात करते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रैटेजी का. सो लास्ट 7 डे स्ट्रैटेजी क्या आना चाहिए. फर्स्ट थिंग, don't practice code in any you can say id such as the VS Code or dev C++. कहीं भी आप पे कोडिंग मत कीजिए. कोडिंग आपको कहाँ करना, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इन द नोट पैड एंड try to write the code from scratch. What actually I mean to say from this point, that you have to include, suppose you are doing coding in C++, then you have to include the library. Okay, hashtag include bits, sorry, yeah, hashtag include bits comma std c plus plus. I think you are getting my point, that you have to include all your library. If you are doing coding in Java, then you have to import all that things. So practice the code from scratch, because TCS के में क्या होगा भाई, आपको इस तरह से दिया रहेगा कंपाइलर that nothing will be written and completely there will be blank and you have to write complete code from starting from scratch. So practice code from that point of view. You have to know that how to take input. If you don't know how to take input, just go to my YouTube channel, suggest here, search here, how to take input learning with Ram. I have made detailed video regarding this, so you should go through it. Suppose I'm writing how to take input or coding input, so you have to basically go through that video. This video very very important, friends, because most of the student got stuck in this point. So don't be stuck. This is important warning I am issuing to all of the candidate. Okay, because this is your one the golden opportunity and don't miss this. Now coming to that part done, that you have to write code from scratch. Now important topics that you should practice. First, that is array, string and matrix. ये तीनों पे भाई आपका कमांड होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट थिंग. After that, if you are able to do coding in these all things, you know how to take input in array, string, matrix, and you can basically solve basics to medium question, then move ahead to recursion, and if you have time then go to DP basics. Remember friends, आने का चांस बहुत कम रहता है DP से, बट अगर आपका लक खराब रहा then it might get, you can't do all that things. बट अगर आपका भी प्रिपरेशन ज़्यादा नहीं है, so I will suggest stick to the array, string, then matrix. Don't go beyond this. But if you have time and you have done lots of coding, I have already provided update further, means previously, that you should start coding. But if you have started coding and you are confident in these topic, then I will suggest just go the basics questions of recursion and DP, basics to medium question. So this is the thing I want to tell. सो फ्रेंड्स, बात करूँ एग्ज़ाम पैटर्न किस तरह का होगा, सो आई विल एक्चुअली ऑल्सो मेक अ डिटेल वीडियो ऑन दैट। सो शॉर्ट में बताऊँ तो एग्जाम पैटर्न आपका 90 मिनट्स का होगा एंड देयर विल बी 2 कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस। सो यू हैव टू सॉल्व एटलीस्ट 1 क्वेश्चन टू एलिजिबल फॉर द निंजा और डिजिटल प्रोफाइल। नाउ हु विल गेट निंजा और डिजिटल, दैट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ अदर स्टूडेंट्स। सो आप कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं और अदर स्टूडेंट कैसा कर रहे हैं, उनका रिक्वायरमेंट क्या, उस पर डिपेंड करता है। बट मेन थिंग आई विल टेल यू, जस्ट गिव योर बेस्ट, दैट्स द important thing and nothing. Okay, so these all thing I want to tell. Hope informative to you. I regularly post job update in this channel for 2026, either TCS NQT का preparation roadmap, TCS NQT free study material, free placement material, preparation material. So lots of stuff I'm sharing on my WhatsApp or Telegram study group. So you can basically join that group. Okay, so that I regularly post job update. So if you still have any query, don't hesitate to ask here. Ask, and best of luck to all the candidates who have interview. Sorry, who have test, and you can share this video with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. मिलते हैं next video में.